So today, as the title suggests, we are going to unbox the Vyaterra full gauntlet gloves. The first thing that you notice when you open the packaging is the attention to details and prominent branding of Vyaterra. The package also contains a booklet that provides complete information about the glove and wash instructions, which are quite informative. The gloves is supposed to bring you the best of both worlds, race spec protection and daily use comfort. My first glove was the basic Royal Enfield gloves, a very basic glove with minimalistic protection. Over the time, I have been a fan of the full gauntlet gloves. Then came across Vyaterra with the new grid, which also was sitting right in the budget I was looking for. I have been a very happy customer for their luggage systems, their claw. So I was sure that they would not let me down. Upon wearing them, it's a little difficult to get in, but we'll get used to it. Must say that the leather, which is a goat skin leather, is very soft. Leather gloves generate quite a decent amount of heat in the tropical climate. The grid has meshed vents on the fingers, and considering the position of the hands while riding, there is very little room for ventilation. The upper side layer is perforated for additional ventilation. Nox SPS, which adds a lot of value to the gloves, are placed at strategic position where the hand's impact is the highest in case of an accident. The position is such that the protector does not come in contact while operating the throttle, brake or clutch. Upon usage in time, you will definitely get comfortable with it. As we go a little above, we see a good quality silicone grip which extends from the lower thumb to the middle of the palm. This helps you have a good control over the throttle. The pre-curved structure adds to the comfort of using the silicone grip. The conductive leather at the fingertip enables you to use your touchscreen phones or GPS devices without having to remove your gloves. High-density thermoplastic polyurethane occupies critical areas such as the knuckles and the wrist. It is like an intermediate component which has both the properties of rubber and plastic. It is highly durable, elastic at an agreeable extent and abrasion resistant. So because of this nature, it is used in areas where there is minimalistic movement of areas with or lesser degree of freedom. An additional foam layer is provided below the TPU for added comfort. In any crash, the little finger is exposed in a crash. So a finger bridge is made which connects the last two fingers to strengthen and protect. Visor swipe comes in handy during those rainy days when you feel the necessity to clean your helmet visor for better visibility. So coming to the pros, the overall build and quality is amongst the best motorcycle gloves available in India currently. The attention to detail is very well thought of. The packaging is very good as in case of other products from Vyaterra. The workmanship is top notch. Coming to the cons, the finger swipe could have been a bit higher on the index finger as the lower part of the thumb comes in the way while using the swipe. As it is mostly leather, will take a lot of time and practice to dry in case it gets soaked during those rainy days. Overall, Vyaterra gloves is an excellent choice. So that's it for now, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.